Welcome. This video I'll show you a short tutorial about how to use LangChain with ChatGPT. Okay, using LangChain with ChatGPT, or more precisely the OpenAI API, allows you to build powerful applications by chaining prompts, managing context, handling tools like search, calculators, databases, and integrating memories. Okay, so first up, what do we need? Or the prerequisites. First up, you would need Python. Okay, preferably the Python 3.8 or the latest version. Okay, open up your command prompt. You can now go ahead and check your Python version. Please just type Python hyphen version. Okay, again, a 3.8 or the latest. Now, let's go ahead and set up our OpenAI API key. But before that, we need to install or integrate the OpenAI to Python. So to do that, type in pip install LangChain space OpenAI. Okay, there should be a hyphen in here. Hit on enter and just wait for it. As you can see here, it's done. After that, again, set up the OpenAI API key. So type in export space OpenAI underscore API underscore key with a bracket like so, and equals to, just type down your API key. Now to get it, go ahead over to your ChatGPT account. Okay, go to your settings. Now go to API keys, create new secret for LangChain. Default project, create secret key. Just gonna copy and paste right here. Once done, hit on enter. If you get this error, just type in set OpenAI API underscore key equals to your API key. Hit enter. All right. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and create a Python script. Okay. For example, this script right here. I'm going to go ahead and open up a text document. I'm going to double click on it. Paste. This is the channel that will be used, the GPT 3.5 Turbo. And this will be the message. Okay. And it will get the response from ChatGPT. I'm just going to save that. Save as. LangChain that. ChatGPT LangChain.py. Save. There you go. I'm just going to create a new folder right here. Folder. A new folder. ChatGPT move. I'm going to open up the folder, copy the URL or directory. cd space path. Hit enter. As you can see here, we are now currently at the path. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in Python space ChatGPT underscore LangChain.py. Hit enter. Wait for the result. Okay. And of course, I'm just using the free plan of ChatGPT. That's why I have this error. Okay. You exceeded your current quota. But if you have the paid plan, you'll have your result right here. But that's just basically it. That's how you use LangChain with ChatGPT. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.